Hello, today you're looking at a Udylite PEC 2000 amp 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. Comes with a remote control with digital readouts. Take a look at it right there. As we take a walk around, the overall dimensions are 23 inches long by 34 inches wide by 69 inches high. Has been tested, checked out here at Lanco by our electricians on staff. And we'll come back around to the remote and we'll turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Take a look at the O-scope wave over here. Very nice, quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.